Subscribe to my channel BootTerns, and for notification of new videos hit the bell icon.
Welcome back to another video. In this video I am gonna tell you about different hidden features of Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Yes, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus has already been released and it claims the price of approximately about $2,000. Yes, is it really worth of $2,000? Let's see. I will tell you in this video what are those features that integrated in Galaxy S10 Plus which makes this smartphone worth of $2,000. So without wasting time, let's get started. This is me, Dayasankar, and you are watching BootTerns. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is this smartphone which beats the smartphone price compared to the Apple also. Yes, this is the highest price smartphone that is released in 2019 and I hope this is worth of purchasing it. So let's get to the features. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus includes AMOLED display with 6.4 inch with infinity O notch. It is also certified with 100% mobile contrast volume with contrast amount of 20 lakh by VDE Germany. Because of this color combination and AMOLED display, it is more comfortable with your eyes. It comfort your light coming from this display and comfort. Talking about the materials that used in this Galaxy S10 Plus is two different types, that is one glass material and another one is ceramic. Glass material and ceramic, these are put into this smartphone which has the capability of dust and water resistance. Not only the display is good but also the features that integrated into this smartphone like software UI, user interface. The software user interface design is also enhanced in such a way that you will feel like having the first time intelligent mobile. This is the example of Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus UI where you will find lots of enhanced user interface, and I guess this is worth of having this S10 Plus. Talking about the camera is the first thing that every user of a smartphone is in search. So the camera in this smartphone is awesome, and compared to the every smartphone that has been released as of now, this S10 Plus providing a better and intelligent camera features in this range. The rear camera is integrated with triple camera, that is with different lenses. The first lens is telephoto which provides 12 megapixels of camera, whereas second is wide angle camera which provides 12 megapixels again, and the third one is 16 megapixels ultra wide camera. Yes, these are the three camera lenses integrated in S10 Plus which makes this camera and photography videography more interesting. Talking about the front camera is more enhanced compared to the rear camera. The front camera have only dual camera which comes with 10 megapixel selfie camera and 8 megapixels RGB camera. Not only this, these cameras are capable of dual aperture. These camera lenses are integrated with dual aperture. Those are Aperture 2.4 mode and Aperture 1.5 mode. This is the first smartphone which is giving aperture options in this smartphone. Not only this, the front camera is also capable of recording 4K videos. Yes guys, as of now none of the smartphone integrated front camera with the capability of recording 4K videos, but this is the first smartphone which is going to give you the recording capabilities in 4K from the front camera, not only the rear camera. There are different live focus spots available in this smartphone cameras, that is one original without any having effect. The original photography or videography is this one. The blurred, which will blur like a DSLR camera focusing on the subject, spin bokeh, zoom bokeh, color point. These are different type of live focus spotlights available in Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. These cameras are providing lots of features in terms of photography as well as videography. So don't you think the camera in this smartphone is the first camera that is going to give you most important intelligence and features in this smartphone? Not only this is the limitation of front camera, but also AR, augmented reality emojis are also provided in this front camera. Yes, you can take your selfie and you can create the emojis of yourself. It also comes with the wireless power share. Yes, you can share your power. You can charge your other devices with this smartphone, which is a very great features for this smartphone. So I guess this is the very intelligent features. This is the very intelligent features that Samsung has come up, that is called reverse charging. You can charge your other devices with the charge of your smartphones. Talking about the intelligence in Wi-Fi internet connectivity, the Wi-Fi and LTE 4G, it supports with the 4G, but 5G variation has not been released. So I hope 5G variation will be releasing later, and they will be providing 12 GB of RAM in this 5G variations. Talking about the Wi-Fi, this smartphone gives the download speed of 1.2 GB per second in Wi-Fi, whereas 1.2 GB per second on uploading. Let's come to the 4G variations. The 4G variations for this smartphone, 2 GB per second download speed and 150 Mbps upload speed. So I guess this is the first smartphone giving this much of download and upload speed in compared to other smartphones. Now the privacy is a very rare task in every smartphones, but this smartphones step ahead of the privacy. Yes, it consists Samsung Knox, which protect your privacy after multi-layer security. It also consists of two different types of authentication, that is one biometric authentication that is called facial recognition. Yes, this comes with the facial recognition. The front camera is integrated with the facial recognition capabilities is to unlock your smartphone. Second, ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. It is just like a simple sensor which will not glow, but ultrasonic, it takes the image which has the capability of 3D mapping. So it takes your fingerprint and unlocks without glowing the screen. Talking about the intelligence in this smartphone is far behind the intelligence as of now in the smartphone. Yes, as like Siri and Google Assistants, this smartphone Galaxy S10 Plus is integrated with its own intelligence that is called Bixby, which has the capability of routing yourself. Now you don't have to talk with the Google Assistants to routing your daily schedule or the notification of your activities, but Bixby is there. So this is integrated with the Bixby, where you can talk with your Bixby and tells about the things and routine your activities. It also comes with a neutral processing unit, which means while capturing the videos or photography, this NPU will recognize the scene and enhance the color depth and color correction in your video or photography. So this is the intelligence, this is the storage, and this is the features, hidden features of smartphone Galaxy S10 Plus. So what do you think these specifications, these hidden features really work? So let me know in the comment below, what do you think to this smartphone? And if you really like this video, share with your friends to know these hidden features of Galaxy S10 Plus. And if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. As of now, see you again.